some kids will just absolutely thrive in this environment.
We wouldn't have believed that this could happen.
I just wish that I had known about it before.
School wasn't an option, really depressed, so we had to do something. He's loved every minute of it. Completely different child. I think that type of learning suited him, where it was more hands-on learning. He wasn't stuck in a classroom. He looked forward to going to school.
Knowing she was in a really supportive environment at the college has been really good. The extra mile that the tutors go to try and keep those kids believing in themselves, it's fabulous. The staff, the tutors are fantastic.
She wouldn't leave her room, she wouldn't leave the house. We've been down a real dark path. It was hard, but they had her right from the start, and they haven't allowed her shit to carry on. They've redirected her and got her going, and it's been good.
I'd totally recommend college to anybody, honestly, that these kids don't fit mainstream. It's perfect.
It's been a blessing, actually.
I recommend it to any young man or young lady that really struggle with school. I can't thank the team enough for what they've done for Jesse going forward for the rest of his life, so I really thank them for that.